Adjust your seat back into upright position or lock your table securely, and not to use headset before takeoff. Place your carry-on baggage in the overhead compartment under the seat in front of you, and we remind you to keep your baggage securely. For passengers using an emergency exit row, seats may only store carry-on baggage in the overhead compartment. All mobile phones, transceivers, FM radio, radio control devices, and remote control toys are prohibited while in the aircraft. You may now enjoy our in-flight entertainment program along the journey. Thank you and we wish you pleasant flight.